to the hard-working district in charge, Sir Restituto F. de Galicia, esteemed guests, to our very active school head of Lalog Elementary School, Dr. Valen F. Kababunga, ma'am, school heads of other schools, dedicated teachers, barangay officials, stakeholders, our supportive parents and guardians, and to my fellow graduates, a pleasant day to one and all. I am more grateful and honorable to speak before you all at this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Graduation is not just a milestone. It is a culmination of years of growth, learning, and self-discovery. It is a testament to our resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to our goals. And our theme for this year's graduation is Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. And here we are to celebrate our success. On behalf of the 23 graduates of Lalog Elementary School, we would like to convey our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to the teachers who served as our parents. Without your help, we wouldn't have gotten where we are today. You gave us life experiences and lessons we would certainly never forget. We shall always be thankful to you all. Today, as I embark on a new adventure and pursue my dreams, give me a moment to express my gratitude to all the people behind my success. To my teachers, you made learning challenging, but fun and easy. I remember when I just transferred in. I was in the 3rd grade, and I was struggling because I had no friends and I barely knew any of the teachers. Since it was pandemic that time, our way of learning was through modules and online classes. Ma'am Philomena, during all those online classes, you still made me comfortable through your calm and intellectual discussion. Ma'am Flor, you are my second mom. You always cared about me and knew most of my feelings on many things, and I consider that magical. Kapag nakikita mo akong mag-isa, palagi kang lumalapit sa akin just to tell a compliment about me. Di mo man sinasabi, pero alam ko pa rin na you cared about me a lot. To Sir Melvin, ikaw ang aking tatay sa eskwelahan. You are tough but caring, just like my father. To Ma'am Dayan, you introduced journalism to me. It was my first time and I was very nervous. But you were still so dedicated that you even came to our house to check my progress in writing. During all those math lessons, we were always struggling, but you still made our learning simple. To Ma'am Alma, you are one of my idolized teachers and one of my best coaches. Na sa tuwing kami ay sasabak sa mga contest, napaka-positibo niya. Gusto niya palaging kami ay manalo. Thank you for the motivation, Ma'am. To Ma'am Jocelyn, Ma'am Jeremiah, and to Ma'am Imelda, I wish I could go back to experience learning with you because I know it would be much fun. To Ma'am Valen, your supports during all my contests fueled me all the time. From Aurora to Burgos to Rojas, Nadilian to Mawini, and Reyna Mercedes, ang mga ngiti mo'y nagpapakalma sa aking kabadong dibdib. Thank you for your presence and your praise word. Ang galing mo, Shati, which made me feel better all the time. To my family, I owe everything to you. My mother, I saw all your struggles in life. There are no secrets between us. Palagi mong sinasabi sa akin ang mga emosyon at problema mo. And I'm thankful for that because it widens my view in life. Whenever I'm down and I feel unsatisfied of the achievements I've got, you always taught me how to enjoy and be appreciative to it. Every day that is the only person I will compete with is myself from yesterday. To my father, who is not in this country, I really appreciate it because I know how hard it is to find other ways to show your love to me. To my tito, Daddy Allen, I'm so thankful because even if you're busy every day with your job, you still found ways to cook my lunch. To my titas, my other titos, and especially to my Kuya Brian, Kuya Aiden, Ate Ayla, and Ate Samantha, you are simply one of the best people in my life. To my inang, Durayagam Apat na Kanayon, ay ito'y lang dati may bagagdan niyang ina, ay ayatin ka lang ta. To my friends and classmates, thank you for making happy memories with me. This is actually not a party time because I know we will still see each other on the next break. Buboy, you are my forever best friend. You taught me how to say po at opo to others. Ang galing mo, ang sipag mo, at matapat ka na bata. Raymond Eda, you are one of my great friends, and I will never forget you too, because you are my forever competitor in math. Sana magkita pa rin tayo sa STE class. Jose, hanga ako sa'yo because of how humble you are. Despite of being well provided, you still don't make us feel that we are lack on many things. To Cedric, Roshan, Adrian, and to the rest of my friends and classmates, I hope we can continue to make happy memories together. To our beloved school, Lalog Elementary School, thank you for carrying us for a long 7 years. Now that we are leaving you, you can also help us to carry the victories we have given you. Lastly, I want to thank the most is our Almighty God. You are so powerful that you made everything in life possible. Thank you for giving me the gift of life and for surrounding me noble people. You are truly great and the only one. As I move forward into the unknown, I carry with me the lessons I've learned, the memories and bonds I've made. These will be my weapons as I move to the next chapter of my life. Whoever I will be, wherever I will go, I will always keep LES in my heart. Graduates, please stand. And let's all say together, we made it! Thank you, Lalog Elementary School. In 3, 2, 1, go! We